Hello everybody, my name is Eric. I'm with Marzo Roofing. I'm out here doing an inspection on this commercial piece of property here for maintenance issues, possible leaks, things of that nature. Whether it comes to just a leak that you need checked out, routine maintenance, routine inspection on your commercial property, give Eric at Marzo Roofing a call. We've been here locally in Treasure Coast for over 30 years. We're here to help you out, save money, increase value to your property. Eric, Marzo Roofing. Thank you. Bye.